Hey guys, this is Shane Sosa again here at PALCO Claims, headquartered here in New Braunfels, Texas. Last video we talked about what is a public adjuster, what the role is, how we operate, and how we're paid. Now we're going to talk about a different hat, which is the public adjuster versus the appraiser. And in this office, we actually do both. It actually represents about 50% of what we do, but they're very different roles, right? So there's the public adjuster who helps you with coverage, denials, things like that. And the appraiser is something used in dispute resolution. So let's step back a second. What is appraisal, right? Appraisal is a dispute resolution inside your policy that really kind of comes down to method of repair and pricing. Insurance company says your roof damage, it's $10,000. Your contractor saying it's $20,000 for the same, repair or replacement. So that's a pretty big gap, right? You have $10,000 and $20,000. What do you do, right? How do you fix this problem when the insurance company clearly isn't giving you enough for what your contractor says, right? And when you consult with PALCO, we can kind of give you some direction on that, right? But it most likely sounds like the resolution to your problem is appraisal. So appraisal is dispute resolution in the amount of loss, right? And that comes down to how much of your roof is damaged and what the cost to replace your roof is. So if you have a dispute in the amount of loss, insurance company says $10,000, contractor says $20,000, your claim probably is what we consider ripe for appraisal. So the way it works is you would hire an appraiser. And like I said, 50% of what we do in this office is insurance appraisal work. So you would hire us and we would appoint an appraiser to your claim. You would tell the insurance company that due to our amount of loss in dispute, I have elected to utilize appraisal to resolve the dispute in the amount of loss. So then the insurance company will then hire their appraiser, and then their appraiser and your appraiser will then agree to a neutral third party. That third party is called the umpire. And the umpire is only coming in the event that the two appraisers hired by both parties don't agree and reach the amount of value. So the insurance dispute resolution process can take anywhere between 60 days to 180 days, and it can go longer, and it can also be shorter than 60 days. But I just kind of give you an expectation of how long the dispute process could take. But I will tell you, in our office, what we see is the delays usually on the other appraiser who may be overworked, have a lot of appraisals because at least in Texas, insurance appraisal, the use of it has gone through the roof over the years. I've been in this industry for the last 7 years, and every year we handle more and more appraisals. And it's because we have more and more disputes. When you have that dispute, you can utilize appraisal. Oftentimes what we're seeing is that it yields a significant amount more than your initial company's offer. And there's also a report from the Texas Department of Insurance specific to appraisal. And I want to link that in this, a link to that report in this video below. So check that report out. It's from the Texas Department of Insurance. I think you'll find it eye-opening that the amount of money that's being left on the table for people who don't know how to utilize appraisal. So if you have a dispute on your claim, please give us a call here at PALCO, 512-553-6432. You can also email us, claims@palcoclaims.com. We'll review everything free, no charge, and we'll tell you what the best course of action is for your claim, whether it's a public adjuster or appraisal. But I can tell you that in appraisal, we're seeing significant amounts of dollars added to your claim after going to appraisal. So again, give us a call, PALCO Claims. We'll give you some direction and see if appraisal is right for you. Thanks. Talk to you soon.